The best pesto egg toast ever. Easy trending recipe. The healthy, delicious, fresh, and creamy idea for your breakfast or lunch. Ingredients and instructions. Take a piece of bread, lightly toasted on both sides. Spread with classic basil pesto sauce. You can make your homemade pesto, but I like to use the store-bought version. Next, spread cream cheese. I use classic Philadelphia soft cheese. Top with egg, cooked to your preference. I like it when they have crispy edges, but still a runny center. Season with salt and pepper. Serve immediately and enjoy your pesto egg toast. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious ideas. Pesto and halloumi toast. The great vegetarian idea for your lunch, simple to prepare and ready in minutes. Halloumi is a semi-hard brined cheese that originates in Cyprus. Ingredients and instructions. Take a sweet red pepper, chop it into small pieces. Take a piece of bread, lightly toasted on both sides. Spread with classic basil pesto sauce. You can make homemade pesto. I like to use store-bought versions. Add fried halloumi cheese. I cook it on the skillet with olive oil for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side. Top with red pepper. Enjoy your homemade pesto and halloumi toast. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious ideas. Pesto and tomatoes cream cheese toast. Full of flavor, easy and quick appetizer for any time of the day. Just 5 minutes to cook. Ingredients and instructions. Take half of the red onion, chop finely. Take 6 to 7 grape tomatoes and cut them in half. On a lightly toasted piece of bread, spread the basil pesto sauce. You can make it at home, but I prefer the bottled one. Add a layer of tomatoes. Top with cream cheese, for example, Philadelphia. Add onion for taste. Enjoy your homemade pesto and tomatoes cream cheese toast. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss new, easy toast recipes. Easy, meltingly tender garlic toast with juicy roasted tomatoes. Add to your breakfast Spanish taste. Garlic and thyme leaves are natural antimicrobials to keep bacteria in balance. Ingredients and instructions. Take a piece of sandwich or country bread toasted on both sides. Top with cooked garlic cloves. I roast them in a skillet over high heat for 10 to 12 minutes. You can also use the oven. Add cooked, halved cherry tomatoes. They should be golden around the edges, but still soft in the centers. Don't forget to sprinkle with salt and pepper while cooking on the skillet. Decorate with fresh thyme leaves. Serve immediately. Enjoy your tasty garlic toast with roasted tomatoes and subscribe to my channel now.